In an era where artificial intelligence is rapidly transforming industries and automating tasks, concerns about job security have become more prevalent. However, there are several professions that remain resistant to AI disruption due to their reliance on distinctly human qualities, such as emotional intelligence, creativity, and complex decision-making. These roles often involve deep interpersonal relationships, the need for empathy, and the ability to adapt to unpredictable situations, areas where AI struggles to compete. While AI can assist with automation and data analysis, these jobs demand nuanced human judgment, real-time problem-solving, and the ability to connect with others on a personal level. These professions continue to thrive in sectors where human interaction, innovation, and emotional understanding are essential, ensuring their longevity despite the increasing integration of AI in the workforce. Creative professionals rely on abstract thinking, emotional intelligence, and cultural context, skills AI struggles to replicate. While AI can assist in content generation or design by analyzing data patterns, it cannot achieve the originality, personal perspective, or nuanced expression of human creativity. Writers, for instance, create compelling narratives rooted in personal experiences and cultural relevance. Similarly, artists and designers interpret emotions, trends, and aesthetic preferences that evolve with human society, making their work deeply personal and unique. Their ability to connect on an emotional and individual level is irreplaceable by AI. Moreover, industries such as marketing, media, and entertainment constantly demand fresh ideas, a process AI can supplement but not fully automate. The unpredictability and innovation required in creative work will always necessitate human intelligence. Healthcare professionals such as doctors, nurses, and surgeons will remain AI-proof due to the human-centered nature of their work. While AI has made significant strides in diagnostics and data-driven treatment recommendations, it lacks the emotional intelligence and adaptability required for patient care. For instance, doctors use intuition and experience to assess not just the physical symptoms, but also the emotional and psychological state of patients, which often influences treatment decisions. Surgeons make split-second decisions during complex procedures based on unexpected variables AI cannot predict. Moreover, nurses provide critical emotional support and personalized care, roles AI simply cannot replicate. Beyond technical proficiency, the empathy, interpersonal relationships, and trust building required in healthcare make these professions resilient to automation, ensuring the continued need for human professionals. Teaching is a deeply human profession that AI can assist but not replace. While AI can enhance educational tools and provide personalized learning through adaptive platforms, the role of educators extends far beyond mere knowledge delivery. Teachers assess the emotional and intellectual needs of students, foster critical thinking, and inspire creativity, skills that require intuition and empathy. Educators play a crucial role in providing guidance, encouragement, and support, especially in diverse classroom environments where students have varying needs. Additionally, teachers adjust their methods based on real-time feedback, something AI struggles to replicate. Emotional intelligence, adaptability, and human interaction remain essential in shaping young minds. The trust and relationship building inherent in teaching cannot be replaced by AI, making this field indispensable even as technology advances. Mental health professionals like therapists and psychologists are highly resistant to automation due to the deep emotional intelligence and empathy required in their roles. While AI can assist in mental health tools, such as offering general coping strategies via chatbots, it lacks the ability to build meaningful, trusting relationships with clients. Therapy often involves addressing unique, complex emotional struggles that require real-time human judgment, adaptability, and compassion. Mental health professionals interpret subtle behavioral cues, emotions, and nonverbal communication, which AI cannot adequately process. Therapists create personalized treatment plans and offer emotional support based on the evolving needs of the client, often adapting strategies on the fly. Since mental health requires a human connection, trust, and the nuanced interpretation of emotions, these professions will remain protected from AI's influence. Social workers navigate complex human emotions and relationships. making their jobs AI-proof. They handle deeply personal and unique cases that require empathy, judgment, and real-time decision-making, skills that are impossible to replicate with automation. For instance, social workers provide support to families, individuals in crisis, or those in vulnerable positions, where the emotional context is key to finding effective solutions. These professionals must understand the intricacies of human behavior, cultural dynamics, and the unique challenges their clients face. Moreover, social workers adapt quickly to ever-changing situations, whether they are dealing with domestic issues, mental health crises, or legal disputes. While AI may offer basic support systems, the personalized, compassionate human touch necessary in social work will always demand human professionals. Skilled trades such as electricians, plumbers, and carpenters are highly resistant to AI automation due to the complex, hands-on nature of their work. These jobs require problem-solving, dexterity, and the ability to navigate real-world environments, skills that AI lacks. Electricians, for example, work in environments with unpredictable challenges, such as wiring configurations in old buildings. Plumbers often solve issues that require creative thinking and quick adjustments based on site-specific conditions. Carpenters must be able to interpret design plans and modify them based on structural realities. These roles demand physical adaptability and manual skills that are inherently difficult to automate. While AI might assist in design or planning, the on-the-ground problem-solving, creativity, and human intuition required for these professions make them safe from automation. Emergency responders, such as firefighters, paramedics, and police officers, face unpredictable, high-pressure situations that demand real-time decision-making, adaptability, and emotional intelligence, areas where AI falls short. Firefighters must assess rapidly evolving conditions, sometimes risking their own safety to make life-saving decisions. Paramedics handle critical medical emergencies that require not only technical knowledge, but also the ability to calm and comfort people in distress. Police officers navigate complex human interactions, applying both the law and their judgment in high-stakes situations. While AI can assist in dispatch systems or risk assessments, the human ability to react to unforeseen variables, make split-second decisions, and provide emotional support in crises remains irreplaceable. The unpredictable nature of emergencies makes these jobs inherently AI-proof. Managers and business leaders rely on emotional intelligence, strategic thinking, and the ability to inspire and lead teams, qualities that AI cannot replicate. While AI can assist with data analysis and operational efficiency, leadership involves motivating people, resolving interpersonal conflicts, and making complex, human-centered decisions. A manager's role often includes navigating office dynamics, understanding employee strengths and weaknesses, and fostering creativity and innovation. In uncertain or crisis situations, human intuition and emotional understanding are crucial in guiding teams. Business leaders must also build relationships with stakeholders, clients, and partners, which require trust and personal interaction. The nuanced understanding of human motivation, decision-making under ambiguity, and leadership qualities will ensure that these roles remain AI-proof. Legal professionals, including lawyers and judges, are resistant to AI automation due to the complex, nuanced nature of the law and human behavior. AI can assist with legal research, document review, and even predictive analytics in some cases, but the interpretation of laws, negotiation, and advocacy require human judgment. Lawyers must navigate the emotional and psychological dimensions of their clients' cases, make persuasive arguments, and adapt strategies based on real-time developments in courtrooms. Judges, too, interpret legal principles within broader social contexts, often considering moral and ethical dimensions. The unpredictability of legal disputes, the need for empathy, and the complex reasoning involved in applying laws to specific situations make these roles AI-proof, despite advances in legal technology. Clergy and religious leaders provide emotional and spiritual guidance that is deeply rooted in human connection, making this profession AI-proof. Religious leaders help individuals and communities navigate life's most profound experiences, such as grief, purpose, and joy, areas where empathy, wisdom, and personal connection are essential. While AI might assist in organizational tasks or disseminating religious content, it cannot replicate the role of clergy in offering moral and spiritual counsel tailored to individual needs. Clergy also build communities, provide mentorship, and offer emotional support in times of crisis, which require a deep understanding of human emotions and experiences. The spiritual guidance provided by clergy is inherently human and cannot be replicated by AI, ensuring their role remains irreplaceable. Thanks for watching. We hope you enjoyed the video, and if so, don't forget to hit that subscribe button.